Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your main man, the real AO, back on the channel, man. If you're new, you already know what to do. Just tap that like and subscribe, man. We real close. We climbing. But today we got a vlog going, man. We about to go to the IX Center for another car show, but it's not new cars. We're gonna be going to check out all Pistons, all classics, all, you know, all the classic cars, you know. You can't forget about those. So I think the show's called Pistons, so most all cars there are gonna be Pistons, running off of Pistons. We gotta go hop in the car. We're not too far away from it. I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, we made it here into the show. Welcome to the show with Summit IX Pistons powered, you know, Autorama. So I just paid for my tickets. We about to hop in line here. We about to make our way in here. So let's go. All right, y'all, we made our way in here. We got a lot of sections I see, man. We got this section. We got a whole section over here. So we're gonna start making our way around. We're gonna check out all the whips, man. I'm already seeing a lot of classics. They even got like a lift kit over here. I can't zoom when I'm on front camera, but we finna check out these whips, man. Let's go. So let's see, we got a nice hot rod sitting here. Look at this thing over here, though. Damn, this thing crispy, though. Wow, that's crazy. I love when they put the mirrors under there so you can see the underbody. Oh my gosh, bro. Man, these classics. This might be a better show than the IX, the first one I went to. Dang, bro, check this out, man. We got a lot. We're gonna go check them all out, though. We got a nice Shelby here, Mustang, 1997 Mustang GT. Oof, with the drop top. Oh man, this thing is clean, bro. The bad thing about this, you can't sit in none of these. You ain't sitting in none of these. But damn, man, we got a lot to check out. Sage Ridge, Mopar. Wow. Look at the interior on this, bro. Like, it's so mint. Everything's like so much history, bro. Wow, you got the wood in the back. This is what I want to go check out right here, though. Oh my gosh. Look at this Shelby Roadster, bro. I like that, dang, bro. Look at this thing. Whew. Hey, when them YouTube checks start to hit, I'm getting some racks in my garage. Hold up, man. Are we allowed to go under? Are we allowed to look under? Yeah? Oh my gosh, man, look at this. So clean. Oh my gosh. Wow. Get to see how the whole underbody works. We got another one up here. Got an old Bronco. Got the old Bronco here. Wow. Dang, man, this thing is clean, bro. They even got a truck up here. Got the SS. Gotta show them on the video how they set them up. Dang, bro, these are nice kits. No cap. I definitely would get one of those in my garage. No cap. Oh snap! I see a nice big truck over there with a turbo hanging out the front. We gotta go over there. We still got a lot of cars over this way. We're gonna go check out some of these over here, though. Holy snap! Look at this Trans Am, bro. Oh my god, the 76 600 horsepower. Oh my god, 350 4-bolt main. Oh my god, bro, this thing is crazy. I've never seen. Oh, this is a Camaro. I said Trans Am. Almost looks like a Trans Am. This is Camaro, though. Big block. Oh my gosh. All right, we finna go check out some of the ones over here. See what they got. I see a Porsche. I thought there was gonna be no new cars. It's okay. Oh my. Oh, they got the. Oh yeah, we got to check out over there too. Let's see what they got cooking over here though. Oh snap! We got an old tractor. Okay, okay. This thing is nice too. Nice little mini. What, a hot rod? Not. I don't think it's a hot rod. I forget what these are called. Damn, man. This thing is. Oh, the dragster. I heard it off of him. Here go the Trans Ams, man. Oh yeah, turbo Trans Am. Bro, I never knew they made a turbo Trans Am. That's crazy. This thing is nice, bro. Got the BF Goodriches, the same ones my grandpa got. I'm pretty sure. Man, this thing is clean too, though, with the yellow. Wow, drop top. This is the newer Trans Am. And then we got an older one right here. Yeah, we gotta check out the Trans Am section. Snap, man. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Got a little mini replica. Maybe it could be the owner right there. Not too sure. Yeah, this one's clean. I would say this one or that turbo one I would take. This one's like really super clean though. Like holy crap. Look at a nice big bird on the front. Gee. Got another one right here. Formula. The Arrow bird. Never knew they made one of these either. Wow, man. 1978 Hex. Whew. These boys roar when they start. I swear. All right, y'all. We was just over there. We finna make our way over here. Check out these little newer cars. I'm a little surprised. I did not know that there was gonna be cars like this here. But we're gonna check them out too. We got a nice GTR. Got a Z, all specced out Z chilling up here. I think I've seen this GTR a few times at a few car meets though. But we got a little Volkswagen here. Little camo going on in there. Yeah, this thing is clean too. We got a, what is this? Oh, Chevrolet 1955 Bel Air. Got the mirror under there. Y'all see the mirror? See under that engine bay? Ain't no rust. No rust at all. Like, wow. Still got more to go over there. Dang, man. We're gonna be here for like a good hour. Good, nice little long vlog. Like I said, man, we're gonna. Ooh, look at the SRT clock. Dang, man. We got an Eclipse. Or no, I said Eclipse. This is Mitsubishi Evo, or yeah, Evo. I'm tripping. I said Eclipse. My bad. Got the Evo. I'm not too sure what this is, but it low-key goes together with the GTR though. They got that that special paint. Y'all see how it's changing how I walk. And then we got this off-road monster right here. And we got this Mustang Coyote. Damn, man, look at this thing though. This thing crazy, bro. This thing nice. I'll definitely go off-road in this. This thing is nice, bro. You can put different rims on it. Sheet, put Forgiatos. You got a Ford here. Here go another one. Another mini one. I'll take the mini one too though. This mini thing probably get up too. But we got another classic here. Low ride, little low. All right, we finna go check out some of these over here. It's gonna be a long vlog, man. So make sure y'all get y'all snacks, cause I'm gonna be checking out all these cars. I'm gonna try to. This is the one I was telling y'all about. I seen a little turbo. Look at this thing, bro. This thing crazy, bro. I think it's a drag. Might be a drag truck. Dang, bro. He definitely has the GoPro hookup. I see on the side. Exhaust coming out the side. Dang, bro. This thing, yep, this is a racer. A drag, for sure. No dash, no nothing. Just, you know, that's crazy, bro. Oh my God, here we go, bro. Here we go, bro. Lamborghini. Yeah, man, look at that. This thing is just absolutely. I just want to hear this thing start up, bro. Oh my gosh. This thing is crazy. Then we got the GT3 sitting up here. This thing is clean too, man. I don't know if they got a line going on here for it. Oh, they doing custom stuff over here, I see. Oh snap, oh snap. Come get your customs. Come get your customs. Oh, we got the turbo. This is still a GT3. Might be an older GT3, but I think this is a turbo RS though. We got a, what is this? Not too sure. A Nissan maybe? Could be wrong. This Porsche though, oh my gosh. Got the Porsche on the armrest. Yeah, wow. Alright, y'all. We should make our way this way so we get this little last section knocked out over here. Dang, bro, look at this. This thing, you got the light, the wheels lighting up. I've never seen nothing like this. I've maybe seen this at another car meet, but not too sure. This thing is crisp, bro. Oh my gosh. No, I haven't seen this because the skull looks different. But oh my gosh. Dang, bro. I drove one of these though. These things are nice. No cap. I don't know why it's showing up neon on my screen, but it's more like a yellow. I got the inside of that boy. Sheesh. Look at, man, we still got bikes to hit. We still got a few more sections over here. We're gonna hit this section right here. Dang, bro, he even got the little mini replica on the engine bay. That's crazy. That's dope, for real. This is a 1996 Grand Sport. I like the blue on it. The blue definitely looks good with the black rims. You got the little Corvette, so you don't get in there and try to steal it. Dang, bro, this thing is just crazy, bro. And we got a little mini one over there, and I think I showed y'all that one, but all right, y'all, we're gonna make our way out this section over here. I remember seeing these when I was younger, for some reason, you know. We finna see what they got over here. They still got, oh, my bad, y'all. My phone might die, so I'm gonna try to get all this squeezed in for y'all as much as I can. Damn, bro, this thing is crispy too, though. Oh my God, look at that, how the hood comes up on it. Dang, bro, we got a lot. Smooth soaker, loker, 700 plus horsepower. Holy shit. Oh shit, they got the Cobra up here. We're gonna go hurry up and try to check some of those out too. Dang, bro. Look at this Cobra. I don't know if this is original or not. Oh my God, 1965. Dang, bro. Look at that. Look at that thing over there too. Got some trucks. Chevrolet SS. Dang, bro. They got a lot. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna cut it back real quick and we'll be back. I had to show you this this rebuild Hellcat, bro. It's got a Hellcat engine in it, supercharged. Hold up, let me show y'all the interior real quick. This thing crazy, bro. Look at this thing. Look at that, bro. Oh my God. Shit. You can see the big Hellcat on the side. Dang, bro. Alright, we finna make our way over here. We got some over here in this back. Got another truck over here. This thing is nice too, bro. 1949. Shit. We got a Cadillac chilling. 2014. From Ohio. This thing is clean though. A little older though, you know, but we're finna go check out some of these. Look at this big semi. It got the big jet engine. Y'all see the jet engine on the back? Holy crap. That thing take you to the moon. Look at that, bro. Like, that's insane. That's crazy. Got another dragster here. Got maybe another Bel Air, it looks like. Yep, another Bel Air. A 442 Oldsmobile. Got another dragster here. You can see the little wheels in the back. Damn, bro, this thing is a boat. Look at these tires. Dang, bro, this thing is crazy. I've never seen 3 shifters. I'm not too sure what that is. Look at the big hole right here. Damn, bro. Hold up, I'm gonna try to get y'all the engine real quick. Dang, bro, look at this. This thing is a monster. Wow. Got a few. We hit that section over there. So we're finna go check out this. We got another old school hot rod. This thing is clean, bro. Wow. We got a few sections over here. We're gonna hit those over there on our way back. Dang, bro, these things are crazy. My grandpa actually has one of these, I think. Not the same one, but similar. Dang, this one clean too. Whew. Wow, bro. I think I'm loving this one better than the other show, honestly. This is like, I'm drooling over here, bro. All these beautiful classics, bro. This was definitely, we got a Ford Performance up here. Mach 1, here we go. We got a manual. You don't see the manuals no more. Dang, bro. 2021 Mach 1. Finna see what this is. We got an old Bronco sitting up here. This thing is clean too. But alright, we gonna check out this section over here, and then we're gonna check out the bikes too. Yeah, man, this is lit. This is lit. Whew. Dang, look at this old, what is this? Dang, bro, you got, what is it? You got the bass boosters in the back, maybe? I don't know. Dang, bro, this is a manual too. Damn, I'll be scared to drive this, boy. I ain't gonna cap. It's manuals. I need to learn how to drive manual better. Honestly. But dang, bro. Alright, we finna check out some of these bikes. See what's up with the bikes. Cause we still got like a few more other sections that we gotta hit. Hold up. We're gonna check these out real quick too. Real quick. Cause my phone's getting ready to die. Look at this, this cars themed. Y'all see it?
What's your full name, last name, so I can see you?
It's the Hudson Essex Territory.
Dang, bro. Able to get 2 bikes in here. Monte Carlo, I think. I could be wrong. No, this is a, what is this? By Ford. Dang, bro. It's clean though. Got like a mint color. Oh, it's a Madonna Ford 1971 Ranchero. Okay. Dang, bro. Alright, we finna check out some of these bikes. Gotta check out some of these bikes. Got the Harley. Man, it's been a minute since I've seen one of these. Damn, bro. This thing's crazy. Even though I'm not too big of a fan on like these kind of bikes, but I still like admire them though. Like they're still really nice to look at. Dang, man. What does it say? Cycle finishes. It means they probably work on bikes, make custom bikes and whatnot. Dang, man, these are clean, bro. Got a few bikes over here. Look at this one. It got spikes all around it. Y'all see? See the detail. I don't know how that'll be comfortable to ride though. You know, like one small bump, you hit your head on one of them nails, you done. Dang, bro. He's trying to get them good pictures. Got a few bikes over here in the corner. Got an RT chilling up here. Dang, man, this thing is clean, bro. Go check out some of these. Dang, bro, these things are clean. Look at this Speedster. Honda Restone Cafe. Dang, man. Look at this rusty one. But it's not rusty, though. That's pretty cool. This is different. Dang. Look at this big thing. So these race. Oh, some of these are for sale. Oh, snap. You got an RT Challenger sitting up here. Another Ranchero. Dang, bro, look, check out this drag bike. Kawasaki drag. Dang, man, this thing is clean too. No seat, look at that, no seat, no nothing. There go that Bronco, there go the front of it. Shoo. Green Goblin. Oh, copyright. Yo, so quick little update. My phone had died mid-recording session, so we pulled back up here next day. Y'all think I'm gonna miss out on this content, bro? We still have like 3-4 sections to hit, so I'm gonna hurry up, go back in here, pay for my ticket. I might have to repay. I already repaid for parking. We finna go in here. We finna see it all, man. Be back, y'all.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a good question.
See, we got the Roadrunner Super Bird. We finna hit this whole section back here though. This is the whole section we forgot to hit over here, so we finna Finna hit all this, man. Got a custom van here. Oh no, I think we did get it. We did get a little bit of this section. We was in this corner, that corner back there. So we gonna get this little section, and then we got this big section back there. Man, oh, we back, baby.
Maybe I'll see you. All right, I'll see you.
Bro, look at this design though. Cool breeze. 1988. Damn, bro. With the snake, y'all see the snake on that? That's cool. Then we got y'all can't see that, so like it's a fan, but that's cool. Damn, bro. All right, y'all. So I think we was back there when we finished off. So I'm finna check out some of these a little more. Dang, bro, this thing nice, clean too. Hold up. Yeah, we was back there last time. So we finna see what they got over on the other side over here. This main section. 390, 327. Jeez. Super Nova. Dang, man, this thing is super clean. You see the inside? Dang, man. And we got another one here. 1961 Comet. We got a Comet here. Got another one over here. Got a manual. Look at this engine though, holy crap. This thing got at least over 400 horsepower. We got a 1985 Camaro, old school Camaro. Dang, bro, this thing clean. Got the old pickup, nice old pickup truck. Ooh, I think we see, I don't know if we seen this hot rod over here. Hold on. Hold the phone. We definitely did see these over here. We're gonna go check out this over here though. We seen this one already. Hold on, bro. I don't know. I don't think I seen this yesterday though. Damn, bro. Shit, look at this thing, bro. You see the whole underbody? Damn, man, that thing is beautiful. Look at this gem, bro. Wow. Holy crap. Nice hot rod. This thing is mentless though. All right, y'all. I don't think we caught this one too. I was gonna show y'all this one, but we was gonna make this one like more towards last. So we gonna hit that section over there, that little gateway over there. But dang, look at this though. Holy crap! Wow, man, this thing is something else. Dang. All right, y'all. We got a little bit over here. I think we seen these over here though. They're probably moving stuff around, you know. We was just up here yesterday. All right, y'all. I'm gonna make my way over there. We'll be back. All right, y'all. We made our way over to another. We got this. Look at this, bro. This thing is huge, bro. We're gonna make our way. We're gonna start over here. But we got this whole area to finish, bro. Like, I definitely did not have enough juice on my phone yesterday to do all this. So I definitely had to pull back up and see all this, bro. I'm not even tripping about the 60. You know, I had to come here, bro. I had to. Dang, this thing. Is that a TVR? Looks like a TVR. Got a Harley. Dang, man, look at this. This is a 1957 Bel Air. And what does that say? May be energized by backfeed. Okay, he's serious with it. Look at the cross mirror. Look at the cross mirror. That's different. Got a little rust to it, make it look authentic, you know. Got a nice Corvette here. 2001 Corvette. This thing is crazy. From Brunswick. Wow. Got another drag racer here. 2019. Dang, bro. We got this whole section. I think there's another section too, bro. There's like, we gonna be here for a grip. Got another Bel Air. Nope, that's not a Bel Air. Another drag. Another drag. Dang, look at all these plaques, bro. We got a Chevy. But I'm so bad on naming all these old schools. I feel out of place a little bit. But that's why I go to the signs. It's a 1963 Chevrolet. Dang, man. This thing crazy too. Dang, man. So much history in these cars, bro. Like, something like this, bro. Wow. Dang, man, this one's like a little banana. Got a big turbo on it. Dang. Shoot. Alright, y'all. We're missing out over here. See. 428. Ford 1968. Torino. Dang. Another 1966 Plymouth. Shit. 1953. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna make my way over that way. We'll be back. Got another hot rod, 1930. Dang, man, this thing is nice, bro. This is gonna be vlog, and we're gonna be finishing the vlog, bro. We got a lot more content coming right after this car meet too, man. We're gonna try to start doing pranks, more vlogs, all that, bro. Dang, man. Look at this little pimped out Suzuki. This thing is cool. Dang. Got a little hot rod over there. I got the Vapor Maxes on. I just came out of work, bro. I was like, as soon as I came out, look at these two turbos. I feel like I've seen this on YouTube maybe, but I could be wrong. And somebody else probably could build the same thing, but like, dang, man, this thing is crazy. You got two turbos on the front. Gee, look how low that thing is. Like, you're for real sitting on the ground, bro. Another old hot rod over there. It is for sale, y'all. 26K or trade. Sheesh. Got a little shop. They got little shops and stuff set up. I see some vintage plates. Okay. Got some trucks. 1977 Ford F-250 Highboy. Power stroke. Dang. Got another one here. Both 1977s. Dang, they got like a whole flea market here. Alright, we finna head this section over here too. Damn, we still got more over there, bro. Sheesh. Make it or break it. Jeez. Dang, bro. You still got. Ooh, I see some nice ones over there, bro.
Every year you go.
I thought I seen a monster truck here. We gonna have to see about that. Maybe. Another Bel Air.